matters in this life more than winning for ourselves is helping others win. So goes the old adage. The ever-cheerful Reverend Father John Ullukaran is an erudite educationist. He believes that blended knowledge is better knowledge. He empowers others through connectivity because connectivity is strength and connectivity is wealth in the present scenario. Father John has served the congregation in various capacities, including as an able administrator, principal of several educational institutions, as well as a great teacher who has shaped and molded the destiny of many students. Father John was born to Kunnipalu and Mariam on 17th March 1949. He joined the congregation in class 10th at Elathurth. After completing novitiate, he committed his life to the Lord in 1968. After the successful completion of philosophy and theology studies, he got ordained in 1977. When he was appointed a teacher at high school in Elanthikara, which is run by Nair Service Society, he tried to inculcate Christian values among the students. Management and staff had a high esteem for him. Father John is considered to be the founder principal of Christ School Guna. It was during the pastoral ministry in USA that he took M.Ed from USA University. He has also served 14 years as principal in Guna. He was prior at Christ Home Guna. Almost 6 years he was the principal in St. Paul's School, Bhopal. There he was also superior. It was his ardent fervour and hard work that brought the Christ College into existence. His tenure as principal for 15 years was really remarkable.
Reverend Dr. John Ullukaran is an eminent educationist of our province. He is a serious research scholar in his field of apostolate, that is education. Commitment, hard work, and attention to the details make him different and unique among all the educationists of our province, and he is a real role model for all of us.
His leadership qualities led him to be Vicar Provincial for 2 terms and one-time Councillor for Education. All India Radio echoed with his voice as he has given talks on different topics. A man who is par excellent in teaching has contributed a textbook for B.Ed students, Development of Educational System in India. He is meticulous, a man of discipline, orderliness and exactness.
I am all the more happy on this occasion because he is my maternal uncle, and I would like to give credit to him on my becoming a religious priest. Because when I was a young boy, my mother and my grandmother used to encourage me, telling that I should become a priest like Reverend Father John, my uncle. I think it's an inspiration in terms of the contributions that he has done to the society at large. I ask Almighty God to bless him and bless all of us.
Contentment is the value that is reflected always on his face. Instead of complaining in adverse situations, he makes earnest efforts to turn them into his strides for the success of his life. His availability makes him popular among the religious communities as one of the most sought-after priests for spiritual guidance and confession. Father John is also known as a noble man and community man. This religious priest from Chengalur, Trichur Diocese, wins our hearts by his jovial nature. Let us wish him golden jubilee greetings of his profession, and may he continue to work for the Lord for many more years.